If you have like gorgeous chairs but you have a problem with the legs that they are scratching the flooring, the wooden flooring, especially if you have wooden flooring and you don't want them to be scratched because of the chairs, those are the covers. They are silicone and they can provide covering to the legs of your chairs and protect your flooring, and they will not slide off the chair and will also keep it in place. So let's try it on my chair. This one, they work on rounded kind of legs. So look how it's installed, super easy and simple. So all you need to do is just like insert it, and then you insert it here, and then you insert it on the other one here, and that's it. Look how gorgeous and like beautiful, and it fits perfectly on the rounded wooden legs. And let's put it on the floor. Look, so if you have like wooden flooring like this will not be scratching your wooden flooring, and it will protect it. And it also looks gorgeous. It looks really nice. It looks really nice and very elegant, and it shows that you do care about your house, and it does look that you care about your furniture. I hope you like it, and stay organized and stay elegant. Cheers.